Preview is a JISC-funded project to deliver problem-based learning scenarios for students on healthcare courses via the virtual environment Second Life. 4 scenarios have been developed for health and social care students at Coventry University and 4 different scenarios for paramedic students at St George's University, London. Each set of scenarios are stationed on their institution's respective Second Life islands. Before the students can start the scenarios, they have the opportunity to learn the basic Second Life skills that they will require through custom-built interactive orientation areas on each island. Both sets of scenarios also come complete with a dummy scenario, which prepares the students for the type of interaction that they will experience in the actual scenario. The health and social care scenarios at Coventry are based around a virtual care home called The Cedars. The Cedars uses holodeck technology and transforms depending on the scenario being run. So for example, for one scenario, the space transforms to give the impression that a fire has just occurred, creating a virtual fire engine, ambulance and firefighter. At the touch of a button, this will all disappear and the Cedars will become restored to its original state, ready for another scenario. These scenarios tend to take a discussion-led approach. The aim of the scenarios is for the students to formulate strategies as a group based on the interactive content they experience. Second Life is perfect for this level of collaboration as it allows the use of tools such as a web player and a whiteboard. The interactive content ranges from interaction with an artificially intelligent chatbot, aka a non-player character, to watching machinima videos. Machinimas are videos filmed within a virtual environment using virtual actors, in this case Second Life. The scenarios developed at St George's are based on widely used resources known as virtual patients, online narrative-driven cases that test students' decision-making skills and their ability to apply their knowledge to realistic scenarios. The cases adhere to the Medbiquitous virtual patient standard, meaning that the scenarios can be exported to any platform that adheres to the MVP standard, whether it be within a virtual world or through a web browser. St George's Second Life Island features various environments for the scenarios to take place, including a street, an underground and a nightclub. An MVP Second Life player has been developed as part of the project, which is the main basis for all of the paramedic scenarios. It presents students with decisions and information, all taken from actual virtual patient cases, in an interactive way. The decisions the students make affect the virtual patient in real time. A dummy is used in Second Life to represent the virtual patient and acts as a controller that communicates with the MVP player. Students interact with this virtual patient via chat and touch points or sensors, and can also use Second Life objects such as neck collars and leg splints during treatment. All the scenarios start with dispatch to the scene, followed by an assessment of the patient, a decision of how to treat, and then a transfer to the hospital. All the scenarios end with a handover at the hospital, in which the students summarise the case on a note card that then gets posted to their tutor. Problem-based learning is particularly suited to a multi-user virtual environment like Second Life due to the large level of collaboration on offer. Groups of students are able to interact with the same content at the same time and make decisions based on what they are all experiencing. This will prove particularly useful for distance learning.